cold hands and sore feet. You've been walking for an hour on abandoned streets. Weak knees and fresh scars. It's a struggle when you're losing track of who you are. The words you stole won't save your soul. They can only buy you time. Light a candle.
Kaya, ka. Ano ba yung nasa dulo? Anong sabi ko nasa dulo? Ga. Ulitin mo, ulit mo. Ga.
I've been staring at the same old walls, scared of walking through distant halls. Hey, it's your
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a cardio workout. We're going to be doing 10 minutes of straight cardio today. We're going to be doing 5 different exercises for 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off, and we're going to do 2 rounds. I'll give you a quick preview of the exercises. Hey, today's ab workout targets your obliques and love handles. If you're trying to lose love handles, it's 2020 and it's time to work on those New Year resolutions with this 28-day flat tummy challenge. This is an intense ab workout, and to get the best results, do follow the daily schedule and join in with the rest of the community who's sharing the amazing progress.
I've been staring at the same old walls, scared of walking through distant halls. Hey, it's your birthday, but he left you anyway. Stomach's been feeling sick the past few
Cold hands and sore feet. You've been walking for an hour on abandoned streets. Weak knees and fresh scars. It's a struggle when you're losing track of who you are. The words you stole won't save your soul. They can only buy you time. Light a candle or curse the dark. It's all the same to me. Start a fire or drown the spark and shake away the heat. Tell the truth or live a lie. Just don't close your eyes. So spent, you've been holding up the world with your good intent. Help out like you should. It's a burden that you never really understood. But Caroline, I'm doing fine. It's the others who are dying. Light a candle or curse the dark. It's all the same to me. Start a fire or drown the spark and shake away the heat. Tell the truth or live a lie. Just don't close your eyes. And you're breaking, but you're faking. Nothing's ever wrong. And concealing what you're feeling, always standing strong. But you don't need to act like you don't bleed when you come falling down. 'Cause there's no healing when you're not feeling